talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Jarvis, Shelly Ojo,
Ew.
security. I know there's gonna be
Work every day till we meet ends. Have to turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me
Divinity Gang, Divinity Nation, gang, team, whatever. What's up, my divinities? But they here try, get my hair and my puff and ears. It's Saturday, and yeah, mommy round this, so me no know mommy I listen to. Me hear what woman I said, vagina need for rest and vagina need for wash. And I'm like, bruh, what is she listening to? Hi Divinity Nation, what's up guys? I'm here about to go have a tree real quick. So come here, mommy. So it's Saturday guys, and I'm just running to half a tree, pick up something for my kid, because y'all know I gotta go do makeup later at the club and such. Yeah, it's just a pretty chill day. I woke up this morning clean, and I was about to start editing the mother-daughter tag, which is going to go up on my channel tomorrow, which I put in my previous vlog that you guys will see. Yeah, we're not gonna see it tomorrow, it's just that I'm not edit it yet. So I go back home and edit it when I come back from after training and so
Me know I check up this evening. Vendetta never catch my feelings. We might a deal, but we not in no dealings. Vendetta never catch my feelings. Feelings. Be a day. All me want right now are just some company. Nobody fi stress me, nobody will fi call me.
Get to you, study the money like English. 2016, me need help to bring this. When me a stack it up, Jazeel and me witness. Life a no game, but me in it fi win this. Good life, that every get a youth fi know about. Take care of everybody what you care about. Tired of hungry, try but tear up. We fi have share. Man just want live, you see me mama happy. Eyes up like Marcus and grow me nothing.
Lad, girl, good, don't good like you. Lad, girl, they don't bad like you. Lad, girl, we can't stop love you now. Relax, I wanna give you some good love. Lights, the music turned up. Pack me things to a church, me I go. Feel like you put on your new top. Well, let me give you some nice wine. Call me Earl, I'm not alkaline. If you feel good, one more time.
I reach home back and show me out here. But she had the toe touch and one hand. What him name again? John Rusty. I used to be in cheerleading. So this girl says she's gonna join the cheerleading team, her school cheerleading team. By her things, yeah, cause she wanna go to the national competition and all them things. Yeah, look for me. She me say she never know see me coming now. You wanna see her a while ago? You wanna see her? Oh it go. Oh them feet again.
No, you come. So no stupid.
Oh,
you know come stuff. You come.
Come show me, come show me. Come show me now. Come show. Do it now? Yeah, show me what you're gonna do. Show me what you're gonna do.
I scared my avant, I can't see.
Yeah, avant shots. Come.
I'm not like Brianna fast.
Do it.
We can't do it. We can't let school now.
5, 6. What, you make it up?
Yeah.
Where go? I can't remember nothing. which song did come out? There was this song that did come out one time. Missy Elliott did sing it. Was it with this big? No. That when we did 10th grade. Yeah. Them always want to put me up. God know. They really did teach me to not be so afraid of heights. But to go all the way at the top, I never go all the way at the top. But I remember one time, them a practice at Devon House, and one girl go all the way at the top, and you can't believe so she dropped. One 4-story pyramid.
Them that do one pyramid, one 4-story one that side them not do it. And you know like you have the one that come right here and you have the one that comes up. Them put her so then she never knows, so then they go push her up and then push her up and she says, "Pop me, pop me, pop me." You only hear boof.
Oh my God!
And I got
Jesus Christ, me. No. It can be a very dangerous thing, you know. But you can't go pano. You can't be no flyer. You have to be spotter. It can't really be a base. It can. It can.
No, I cannot.
Why not? You go see if them put it.
You know, see me for my God.
Whatever, man. So, who going to make you guys out? You know, I already have a school uniform. Like a uniform for this. Like, the other day, I have to dash up some of my cheerleading outfit there.
The blue and the yellow.
Yeah.
And the have a tan. And the blue up here, or the yellow up here.
Yeah, that was inspired. I used to remember the days I used to design the cheerleading outfit them. Anybody where watch me or used to, you know, come to school with me and they part the cheerleading team, y'all would have known. Or just come to school with me. Like, yo, cheerleading used to take a lot of time, you know, late evenings after school, you know, a practice, especially when it's come up to competition time. Oh my gosh, you know. Yeah, the other day I did have to dash a couple, but I don't dash all of them. I have like my school cheerleading outfit them same way. But like the grade one them, like for sports day at school, I dash some of them because them just did that take up space. I had so much cheerleading outfits, so much actually. So now she wanna go ahead and join the team. Oh my god, she's gonna be a cheerleader. You're not joining your team?
She's not on the team.
Them people them like. What make them on the team? Eh?
The money have tennis and swimming and soccer
and track and field and football and anyway, I forgot to edit that mother daughter tag here now, so I leave her alone. Oh yeah, you forgot them out for me. You forgot? Why am I doing your job? This is your job. You better do it like it's your last. You better. Yo, mommy are cooking now. Yo, I don't know. What flour pin mommy today? Mommy are cook so much something. I don't know what this. Over there says she have some chicken. Yo, food a lick off my nose. Yo, watch out, watch out, watch this. Yo, I fish this, you know. Look at all that was steam fish, you know. Yo, man, tell us to go club. I'm gonna go club. Hungry.
Big up yourself too. Big up yourself to Lady Natural Shine. Yeah.
And mommy's
What? Big up yourself to Venice. Spain. Love. Oh, love you too. Me love.
Yeah.
I love you so much, your mommy. Oh really? Thank you, Brittany, Brittany, Lauren. Is Shami short for a full name? Yes, darling. Her name is Shamika.
J Lambs.
J Lambs. Yeah.
Danla.
And auntie tag, cousin tag, uncle tag.
Oh, you might tell me there's a tag them mama for do.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Cousin tag.
We say, we love.
She love mommy too much that she need to say.
I show people, yes,
I should say.
Yeah, true.
For the story time videos. She I go do them, she can't tell the story.
Story time videos?
Yes. You have like story time videos on YouTube where people talking like different story with like things that them go through in them lifetime. It might be funny, it might be sad, it might be serious. But I don't know if I'm much of a storyteller. Mommy can more tell a story. You can't tell the story about the time when you chop off your finger when you cut up chicken. Can't tell. But don't want to tell a sad story because you get too emotional. I can't do that. Anyway, moving right along. She said, love mom.
Love you too, darling. Love you too, beautiful beginnings. No, tell a lie. Your mother mad funny.
Teacher, she not stuck up.
No, darling. I'm tell you something more. Ma, you marinate. You see, when you teach little children, you have to go have it like that. Because you see, 3-year-olds can't take you come up in front of them and look here. You have to roll play the thing every day.
Can do one with mommy and Shami now. Boy, them love the bag attack them, man. Boy, come like you and Shami need to go make one channel for yourself.
I love you too, Money.
Money Ferguson. Shani Spurlock. Shout out from Canon.
Kidnap me?
Alicia _ Diamond. You can't take mine, she too miserable.
No, we're not even miserable around here.
Mommy,
listen,
mommy miserable.
No, listen. Nah, sometimes. Let me tell you people how we get miserable now. You see when then I want to talk the things, you know. You see when them not do it. Miserable buck.
Mama,
she know.
Thank you, Shabby, thank you. Power to the sister. Anybody who know here something me miserable?
I say at the grace. Whoa. Best friend talk. Love this.
Me not have no best friend left.
Best friend.
Yeah. Now give me a best friend.
I'm telling her something. She had a bad experience with this one at school, leaving high school, and then you know.
Me just cut it off. Me dismiss every other.
It was real bad. It was real bad. You know, you trust your friend and
me not the type of person who kind of me not really like a bag of friend and company. Like I like rolling by myself. Literally most of the time it was similar with 1 and 2 friends. I have friends here and there, but it's not like a best friend business. You know, good friends, it's good to know people and know say have good people around your way, you know. Yes, but
so like she not my best friend, probably she could do a good friend something, you know.
A good friend,
yeah, you know. I don't know. Best friend, you don't have really no best friend.
I don't have no best friend. Just get that out of the man. I ain't got no best friend. So yeah. Where does your mother work? Boy, them people want up in the business like at a school, at an early childhood institution. Okay. Your mom made me die.
Really? No. Oh God. You don't want that film.
Mom, she's so funny. Yeah, man. Mommy need to do a story time.
Jesus.
Yes. Think about the topic. Petite-Sue for sure when she asked her mom what was she like a child. Monifa Ferguson. Monifa Cummins. S. Charles, yes, mommy,
love you all, guys, love you all, mwah, 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 mwah. Love you all. Love yourself, any one of them, I love you. No. Hey, them talk about me miserable, not really miserable. No, I'm gonna tell you.
Them never say you're miserable. I mean, make them know say you're miserable.
Somebody something about miserable. Her mommy is miserable, but let me tell you. Sometimes you see when these two girls, this young lady and that other one around there.
6.5 hours later.
Watch one day me go blog her when she go on. Watch her face.
Yes,
watch her face.
You say any day she vlog me when me go on so.
Oh, she just confirmed it. She just confirmed it. You just confirmed it. Mommy just unnecessarily miserable if she see one pin over here, so she put it over here. What the pin I do over here, so? That's mommy.
And I just so.
Actually, Action me. Action me. Me not tell no lie. Me not tell no lie.
So you see people that want to people that call, you know tell she call.
I'm not.
Yeah,
I'm not.
Real quick, bipolar reaction. Real quick people.
Mommy, bye. Bye.
And that me I do.
So what you still doing here then? What you doing here then? Bye.
Move me now. Move me. Move me now. Move me. I want to tell people. Move me now. Move me.
Show me them bomb dead
Me
one at the
tell you,
front of your
what
forehead.
they're
Jesus.
saying.
Look like two hands.
No, don't say that.
Tell her, mommy, don't do that.
No, don't say that.
Alright, I'm sorry.
You know, yesterday two auntie will come up to my mind.
But you know, so she gonna do eyeball, mommy. Them jealous. Them jealous.
Remember to catch up them ear and you say it looks
Them jealous. Them. Shami, come show them your ear. She wanna be my twin, you know. Sometimes she asks me, so I'm supposed to wear twins, you know? Yeah. I true. I true. Thank you, mommy. Thank you. Once. Mommy bought me, yes, mother goals. Mother, daughter goal. Me no want you stay around here. You love enough of yourself and I think too much. Mommy. So what call me? No.
So, shall me miserable?
Watch out.
Oh. Yeah, shall me say no.
I
like me, I said.
Thank you very much. Come give me a hug. Come give me a hug.
I quit yeah, first to say yeah.
Can't believe some I let out our secret and now you know. Watch our face. Some miserable people. You know, miserable. Only thing that's in my mind, you take me higher than I've ever been, babe. I always say to you, baby, you should be here, right here, baby. You should be here, right here. Don't know where you went, but you lost now. Don't know where you went, but you're gone now. Don't know where you went, but you lost now. Don't know where you went, but you're gone now. Like you're trying to get out. Hurt your feelings when I'm sounding like that. Hurt your feelings when I'm sounding like that. Hurt your feelings when I hustle like that. Hurt your feelings when I hustle like that. TMI. Why should have Alright guys, so it's night time and I don't know, last week Sunday we did it. We're going to buy ice cream again. So it's not, last week Sunday was Valentine's. Tonight is our regular Sunday. So I'm gonna show you how the nagas up out of the Devon house. Yeah. After this, going to the club. Going to the club to turn up. You know how I do, joke. Me? Hell no. Just look at the makeup. I don't really have no company for go to the club like that and turn up right now. Yeah, gotta come back home and work. See me do me work. Show me I'm burning around this, so that's what's up. Not much, not really going. Just chillin'. The life of a vlogger is not easy, guys. Oh my gosh. Number one thing, your arm. Your arm game have to be super strong to carry around a camera like this. Like right now, y'all don't even know the pain I'm feeling. My arm, gosh, it's killing me. Good arm workout. Our What Brianna going on them pretty tight set. And this a granny platter in the front of your head. Girl, get it together though. Oh, may I go come here? Oh, it's not that hot, guys. See that? Things through way quicker. Like nobody not really there. But Shami of course cautious to them like no, but for true, like usually we get more. Oh yeah, no. She's like, it doesn't even make no sense to wait for the home to eat it. This girl. Because usually we don't like to walk and eat, so we wait till we reach home because we're so close by. But Shabu was cussing a while ago, like cussing, I tell you. I'm not doing nothing else the whole time, but I try to get them now come off some feeling. Oh, what is fun? So guys, Shami started cheerleading today. How was it, Shami? Tell me. Hard. What the hell? Shami said them have to do suicides. They have to be squatting with people on their backs. Oh my gosh, this is looking like everything though. But yeah, like they mean business. Like she have a male coach. Like they have 2 male coaches, but like one coming on from Monday and Wednesday though.
One different Monday, one different Wednesday.
Yeah, so they actually training hard now because when you have competition. So she got on the team, yes. Obviously, she got on the team. I feel so good for her because when I was going, I went to the same school as Shami, you know, and in my time I was in cheerleading from like 8th grade, I would say 8th grade, but things got more serious when I was like in 10th grade because then we started to go to competitions like the national competition and stuff. But like Shami time now, it's more Shami, turn off the meat pot there for me please. Things are more integrated now with Shami. Like them have like one set coach. I mean, and in my time we did have like a captain and all of that, and things were pretty stable. But like with Shami, them things are, I feel like, I don't know, better, you know. But this means she have to go hard up on her schoolwork because if she don't, no cheerleading. I can't wait for cheerleading competition time so I can go to competitions and show you guys, because of course I'm gonna bring it with me. Then watch me a cheer on beer things. I just washed my face because I did a makeup tutorial and another fashion overhaul not too long ago. So I'm about to start editing. I have 2 makeover Mondays filmed. Tomorrow I'm supposed to film another one. I have a makeup tutorial, another one. I'm supposed to film, I'm supposed to edit another makeup tutorial that I did the other day. I have another lash haul. I have a hair tutorial that's already edited, that's uploaded, not published yet though. That's gonna be published next Monday coming. And yeah, on Wednesday, this Wednesday, tomorrow Wednesday, y'all gonna see the Hot Miami Styles haul. So if y'all are not subscribed to my main channel, go ahead and do that. Get into what's going on over there. I'm showing you where mommy are going with her on her front.
Yeah, man, she want to
Real workout that, you know? She said when I time the coach come to her and said, you're not doing anything. Shabby said she never knew she would have split so far.
Track team.
Yo, but that's discipline.
Now, when me done with you, slim and trim, you know what I mean?
Then when the
after for the first week, me do what I asked her for me. And when you done with me, slim and trim.
Of course.
I'm not about to see so. When you see me next week.
No, mommy.
Yeah, good night. Yeah.
Mommy, but that's how it feel when you just start workout. After you get used to it, your body is gonna get used to it.
Sorry, I'm not training anymore.
Mommy, I'm lazy, boy, you're not training.
Hello, that's why you're afraid, Charlie, and afraid that them and you see good for them training the normal.
Exactly, but you must work, so why you never want to work? You better work. You say me do it. Then get the pin in school.
Because I got trained to be my athlete, you know.
Ooh.
Yeah, so why are you saying that?
But that's not my passion though. You went on tracks because you had a passion for it. I do not. Yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna get to editing, so I'll talk to you guys later. Number 10, what's something I obsess over?
Divine. I love that one that people like. I'm not going to answer nothing more. That one there is black.